An office building in Baltimore suffered a pipe rupture on an upper floor. It was the weekend. By the time it was discovered Monday morning, damage had occurred on all floors. Between the property damage and temporary tenant relocation, a single event cost the company over $1 million. Here in the Bay Area, a high-rise condo building last year alone had 4 major water problems. The damage was over $200,000 above their insurance coverage. And a corporate headquarters in Denver had a leak in a well joint in the hot water equipment on the 4th floor. When discovered the next day, the water had traversed to the bottom floor, damaging walls, floors, ceilings, computers, and all the cabling. Damage exceeded $200,000. These are not exceptions. Leaks and malfunctioning equipment cost over $10 billion in damage a year. They are the single largest cause of property claims to insurance companies, and they result in millions of gallons of water being lost annually. At AquaSeca, we've developed a system for whole building leak detection and water consumption management. With this system, you can think of it as a Fitbit for the plumbing infrastructure. We strap it on the outside of the pipes. Thereafter, it listens, it analyzes, and it alerts.
So AquaSeca's system consists of a small group of non-invasive sensors that are attached to the outside of accessible pipes and a plumbing system. These sensors listen to the water flow in the entire structure and wirelessly transmit data back to our analytics hub. At that hub, we develop a unique footprint of usage patterns for the building. And monitoring 24/7, we detect and can identify unusual patterns which represent things like plumbing leaks and defective equipment. We develop actionable intelligence from that data and send it to the building owners. So what we have here is a new class of sensor. That doesn't exist in the world today. Our devices are designed to work together, corroborating flow information inside a piping system. This improves the sensitivity and discrimination and accuracy over on normal, what commonly used single sensing devices. So the combination of low cost, easy installation and wide coverage represents a great value proposition for what currently is an underserved market.
From a technology standpoint, our solution is part of the IoT space. This is a space that's growing insanely fast. It's expected that by 2020 there will be over 30 billion IoT devices in operation. We've applied our IoT solution to a very big problem, and in doing that, we can now provide a capability not available in leak detection before. One of the other big benefits is not only are building owners alerted to these kind of problems, but they now have access to a rich database of information about how their water is consumed. The reality is, if you don't measure it, you can't manage it. AquaSeca's solution also provides the data to allow you to manage your water, and by doing that, improve water efficiency and dramatically reduce operating costs. This type of a solution could be applied to many parts of the building industry. Everything from commercial to residential to factories to retail establishments. When you total those up, that's a $5 billion available market in the US alone. We're focusing our launch into the commercial building space, primarily multi-tenant residences and office buildings. These have been selected for 2 key reasons. First, the pain point is very high. There's lots of events. Second, with high insurance deductibles, we make a positive impact to the bottom line very quickly. We'll be launching with a customer trial to purchase program, in which after a successful trial, the large property management companies will then be purchasing and rolling out the program to their base. And we'll be doing this with a direct sales force. Following the launch, we'll expand into other segments of the building market as well as other geographies, because it is actually an international problem. We have a reoccurring revenue model that's based on our monitoring subscription service. That'll represent 75% of our revenues, the other 25% coming from hardware sales. We are a pre-revenue company, but we've gained a lot of traction. Today we have 12 top property management and building ownership companies on board for our customer trial program. We have an agreement with one of the largest insurance providers for a pilot program which will be paid by the insurance provider to test the program to their client base. We have an MOU with a $2 billion European industrial company who wants to incorporate our technology into a water sanitation product. and we have a very experienced management team in place ready to execute on our plans. Water damage and loss is an expensive problem, and with that comes an excellent business opportunity. With a solution that delivers the broadest coverage at the lowest cost, with the easiest installation, we bring the highest value, and with that we really believe this solution for our customers will become something they need, not just something they want. We're excited about what we're creating, and we're looking forward to turning AquaSeca into a large market success. Thank you so much.